how to sell and deliver advisory, which is key to rocketing your profits and your client satisfaction. There are two big keys. Number one, you need some key marketing assets, simple key marketing assets. And number two, you need a beautiful, simple system built for bookkeepers. Okay, this is what I do every day of the week with my clients, and I'd love to help you too. And to help you with that, I have got a free 5-part workshop series. Okay, I am going to dive into the blueprint path, which is start, grow, fix, scale. And when we are talking advisory scale, wow. Okay, so 5-part workshop series, and you can click the link here to register. You can come along live and I can workshop this and everything else with you, or if you can't attend, you will be able to watch the videos so long as you click the link and register, and I hope that I'll see you there.